Dear students, I hope that all of you will be fine with your families by staying at home during this lockdown period. So today I am here before you with first chapter of English grammar, and that is determiners. So let's proceed. First of all, what is determiners? Determiners are words that introduce noun and provide some information about it, but they don't describe it. They don't have comparatives and superlatives. We are having various kinds of determiners as you can see on the screen: articles, demonstrative, interrogatives, possessives, and quantifiers. So proceed with articles. As you know that we are having two types of articles: indefinite and definite. A and N are indefinite articles and the is the definite one. So now we will see where we will use an or the. As it is given in the slide, a and an used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type, whereas the is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. As example, I need a phone. Can you give me the books on the table? Next, a and use the first time we introduce an object, whereas the is used when we mention the object again. Examples you can see: I saw a movie last night. The movie is based on a real life incident. Third, a and used as synonyms for the number one, and the used before plural countries or other plural regions and bodies of water. Examples: they bought a computer and the Netherlands. Next, a and used to indicate one of a group, and the is used before certain adjectives to give a plural meaning. Examples: she is a singer and the rich. Let's see where we will not use articles. When we will talk about things in general, to talk about sports and games, before the names of countries, before the name of a language, before the names of railway stations when they are also place names, before the names of meals, and before noun with number. Demonstratives. The demonstratives this, that, these, those show where an object or person is in relation to the speaker. This and these refer to an object or person near the speaker, whereas that and those refer to an object or person away from the speaker. It can have physical closeness or distance, as in, for example, who owns that house? Is this Tashfeen's house? Interrogative determiners are words that are used before noun to ask question about people and things. Whose, which, what are the examples of interrogative determiners. Possessive determiners show possessions. For example, my, his, your. For example, sentences: my writing is neater than yours. The dog ate its food quickly. His class is so lazy. The sentences are the examples of possessive determiners. Quantifiers determiners are words that indicates a number or amount referred to as some, a few, many. These words are the examples of quantifiers. For examples, there are some books on the table. He have got a few books. How much money have you got?